What's going on, guys? My name is Khai. Hey, psst, right here. There you go. Perfect. Oh, did you just...
Yo, boom. The thing goes skitty kick, and the pop pop boom.
So, today I'm gonna show you the do's and don't in this game. So, let's go! The first thing you shouldn't do in this game is attacking your enemy head to head. Yes, you can deal some damage, but the enemy can hit you too. So, it's up to you or the enemy dies first, depending on your level. So, what you need to do is attack your enemy while running in circle. This way, they can't hit you easily. This way, you won't lose your health as long as your armor while attacking them. In this game, you can climb on terrains too. You can climb on rocks. You can also climb on trees.
Bye, have a great time!
As you can see, I'm in top of this rock and it has a nice view. Next is, I'm going to test if this game has a fall damage. As you can see, if I jump on the high place, it will take damage. Don't ever think of jumping in the high places. Oh, nobody can see me here. Oh, I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So the last thing you should know in this game is the fatigue level. While you're doing things, the fatigue level will go low.
Wait a minute!
And there's other things too. You can also revive other players if the players who was knocked.
Bruh.
As you notice here, I'm also drowning too. As you can see, my HP is getting lower than... The reason is I don't have any fatigue left in my character. So, this is the result if nobody helps you till you were drowning in the water. If nobody wants to revive you. If you have no friends.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So, all you need is a boat. So you can travel in water without losing your fatigue and not getting drowned. Aww. That's all for today, guys. Hope you like my tips and tricks.
Bruh.